As early as 1891, a frame storehouse existed on the property at the corner of Chihuahua and Seguin Streets, FM 775, in Lavernia. In 1896, the San Antonio Light reported that Ed Tewes had plans to build a fine brick store where we now see the old red brick building, often called the Schraub Building. Edward Tewes became one of the owners of this property in 1898 and shortly thereafter built the red brick building known as Tewes and Abbott, a general merchandise store. In 1935, Herman Braz moved his existing general merchandise business to this location from across Chihuahua Street and continued here until 1942. In 1942, when Herman Braz closed his store, it became Harry C. Schraub General Merchandise Store until it closed in the early 1970s. If you look closely, you can still see the ghost sign of the Schraub Store on the side of the deteriorating building. In the 1950s, Mary Knoll's Saloon occupied an adjoining section of the Schraub Store. During the 1970s, it was the Ervin Lenz Café. The cafe section was later removed, but many locals still remember the delicious enchiladas served by Lenz. After the cafe, the building housed several small businesses, but has remained vacant for many years. In 2021, the roof of the building was removed. On August 25, 2023, Schraub Store was demolished. Please remember this site is private. Do not trespass. The owner has stipulated that souvenir bricks may be obtained for a donation to the Lavernia Historical Association. Do not trespass on the demolition site. If you have photos or memories of this or any Lavernia site, the LVHA would appreciate your sharing them with us so we can preserve them for our history. Contact us at info@laverniahistory.com. Thank you. Visit laverniahistory.com to see our publications. Visit the Lavernia Heritage Museum at 13136 U.S. Highway 87, West in Lavernia, Wilson County, Texas.